Well, that is what Outa had to say about this morning's decision. Let's find out what the roads agency Sanral says. For that, I'm joined on the line from Pretoria by Sanral's Vusi Mona. Mr. Mona, good morning to you. Thank you for your time. Outa says the fight is not over yet. What's your response?
Well, we will not respond to that, Garrett. Sanral, we welcome the decision of the Supreme Court. For us, it adds another dimension of certainty on e-tolling. Of course, following President Zuma signing into law 2 weeks ago, the bill that was standing before us in e-tolling. As Sanral, it has always been our view that we had done things according to the law, and today the Supreme Court of Appeal has affirmed our position. As to what Outa is going to be doing, I would not get involved in that.
I might add as well, as part of this conversation, Mr. Mona, if I can, that earlier we spoke to Wayne Duvenach and he says that he may consider taking this to the Constitutional Court. Would you, of course, be up for that fight if and when it takes place?
Well, Garrett, our position, as I've just said, is that we've done things according to the law. Last year we were in the Concord, and the Concord reversed the interdict, which had prevented us from going ahead. So, there is a standing ruling from the Constitutional Court. How other people want to react to this, look, it's a matter within their purview. I will not get involved in that. As Sanral, we implement the policies of the government, and this matter is a government policy.
Well, withstanding any further hold up to this particular system, I'm sure many Johannesburg drivers would like to hear, Mr. Mona, if this is in fact the case, when are we going to start being charged for the use of Gauteng highways? When is that going to now begin?
Well, I happen to be sitting with the spokesperson to the minister, Mr. Tiani Rikotso. I think 2 days or so ago, the minister did indicate that we should be starting before the end of the year. But very soon the minister will be making, I'm told, specific announcements. Can
you tell me if this might be before the end of the year?
No, I think she's already said. I was at that breakfast meeting where she said it will definitely happen before the end of the year. So that's already in the public domain. But as to the actual schedules, actually, as I say, sitting with my colleague from DOT, I'm sure very soon the minister, through her spokesperson, will release the details in terms of dates.
All right, you'll forgive me for having pushed you on that particular point, trying to get a date. I'm sure there's many concerned Johannesburg drivers. Vusi Mona, for the moment, thank you very much. Spokesperson of Sanral, reacting to the breaking news you can see running at the bottom of your screen.
News that moves. eNCA.com.